Good morning everyone. My name is Shoaib Yadav
And my name is Jinsu Thoda.
and our team name is H2O Agents. So today we are proposing a solution on how we can manage groundwater resources in India. So as you know, India has a variety of groundwater resources and they are spread over the entire country and they are very essential for us because almost 50% of urban households and almost 80% of rural households depend completely on groundwater resources. And cities like Bengaluru and Chennai, where there are no rivers, they also completely depend on groundwater. But the problem is that there is a lack of management of groundwater resources in India. So basically what lack of management means is that if I could explain with an example, it would be that in your home you have a borewell that is big, but you do not measure the amount of water that is coming out of that borewell. So what is happening is over exploitation of groundwater resources is taking place. The proposed solution is an intensive system of groundwater resource management. Now you might ask how will we manage groundwater resources? So we will manage groundwater resources by using a combination of technology and already existing water meter technology. So what is a water meter? Supposedly if you have seen in your homes you have an electricity meter. So what it does is it manages the amount of electricity that is coming in your home through the circuit. And it brings you a bill that tells you the amount of electricity that you have used. But there is no such system for groundwater. So what we are doing is we are creating a water meter which will display a bill, which is basically a bill of an amount of rupees that will be displayed every time you use the groundwater resources. And supposedly, according to WHO, the guideline is that 10 gallon per day per annum should be used of water per day. So if it exceeds that limit, then the government will charge a bill on that groundwater. So that is our solution.